my name is Amy Sattel, and in this demonstration I'll be showing you how to enable versioning for a SharePoint 2013 document library and for a SharePoint 2013 task list, and then we'll test the versioning. To start, in our SharePoint 2013 team site, we'll be going into our document library, project documents. It's just a standard document library. At the top in the ribbon area, we'll be going into the library tab, and on the far right side of the library tab, we'll be going into the library settings. In the library settings page, on the left in the general settings section, we want versioning settings. Here in the versioning settings page, we'll be enabling major versions. At the bottom of the page, we'll click OK. And now versioning has been enabled for the project documents library, so let's test this out. I'll be going back into the document library and uploading a new document. I want to make a change to this document, so I'll be going in and just modify the properties. Now, to see the different versions that have been created for this document, in the drop-down arrow, there's an option for version history. And here you'll find each of the versions that have been uploaded and any comments that may have been keyed in by the user who was making that change and saving that new document as a new version. Here, you can also restore previous versions or delete previous versions. Now, our next task is to set up versioning on our project tasks list. So on the left, I'm going to go into the project tasks, and here I want to enable versioning as well. So at the top, I'm going to go into my list tab of the ribbon, and on the far right side, we want list settings. In the list settings page, like the document library page, there'll be a versioning settings link. And here, we want to create versions. Click OK. And now versioning has been enabled on the task list. So let's test this out. I'm going to add a new task. I'll enter my start date. And then I'll enter in a due date. And then we'll click Save. I'm going to make a change to that task so that we have a second version. I'll just change the due date and then save that. Now, like the document library, we can go into the version history for our items. And here you can see what the original task looked like, and then for every change that's made, it creates a new version and shows you the individual fields that had been modified for that specific version.